Hello, my name is Manny Kapoor, Accessory Brand Manager for Wrangler. Today I'd like to introduce the Wrangler JPP 20. So in our portfolio we have a large number of accessories, and when they come together you get beautiful vehicles like this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we got our brand new JPP bumper. You notice that's a little narrower. We've tapered the ends for a little more clearance. It's winch capable. We've added our grille guard, and the grille guard acts as two purposes: one, to protect the winch, but allows you to add additional accessories, kind of like our lights. So these lights, they add a lot more clarity when you're out on the trails. You wouldn't believe it, but these put out almost 8,000 lumens each. It's unheard of. You can take them underwater. A great accessories for your vehicle. Another signature accessory is our Mac grille. Moving around, we've added some graphics. One of my favorite accessories, rock rail. When you're hitting the trails and you want to take it a little bit further, you want to do a little bit more, you want some additional protection, you're going to want to have these rock rails. The neat feature, they're a little bit wider, and we put on a non-slip coating, so if you want to get up to the top, it can almost act as a step. On the inside, we've got our mats, and they're really neat because they got the high walls, topographical map of Moab, and the neat feature is they've got a drain plug, so if you want to wash them out while in vehicle, certainly a possibility. We've added our Tuscany catskin leather seats with our embroidery JPP logo on it. Another favorite accessory is these tube doors, highly sought after, 2-inch round steel, a lot of attention to detail in terms of the design cues. And if you're one of those who like to be out on the trails and maybe remove the doors but looking for that extra sense of security, these are a great product to have. On the top we got our mesh bonnet to keep some of the elements off your head. You're getting that fresh air feel, but a little bit of additional protection. Moving around to the back, we've included our B-lock wheels on BFG KM3s, mud terrain tire to give you a little additional grip. Supporting that is our 2-inch lift kit, partnered with Fox, 2.5-inch aluminum body shocks to give you the best on-road and off-road experience. And finally, on the rear, we've included our hinge gate reinforcement to protect the swing gate from any additional weight added from larger tires, whether it be a 35 or a 37-inch tire. We've added our JPP fuel door. These are just a few of the accessories, and there's always more. We got a great catalog of accessories. If you're looking for any of these accessories or additional accessories, please see your dealer.